Okay. So I got my yellows with my yellows, my whites, my blacks, browns. What's up, honey? What colors do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got too many colors. Okay, you need to make sure you have 6 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No more than 6.
What if we only have one of these?
I have more than 6 as well. So let's narrow it down to some colors and then balance it out. So I can get rid of my blacks and my browns. How many do I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's get rid of blue and red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You're supposed to have 6 of each.
No. You're supposed to have 6 colors. Red.
Like 6 colors of what?
6. Look. Miss Starling has 6 colors. Red, yellow, white, orange, green, pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You should not be talking. Okay, trade them with somebody who doesn't have 6 colors. Okay, I got my 20. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now they need to be arranged around the circle. I know. What colors do you have, honey? So I can replace them. Here's 2 orange. What colors do you already have? I know. So you need more orange.
I need more oranges.
You need more orange and white? Then will you have 20?
I have 18.
Okay, your orange and white are going to be the same here. Okay. Why is your hood still on? You need 2 yellows and 1 red?
Does anybody have an orange or a white?
You need 2 yellows and an orange.
Orange or white? Orange or white? Anybody?
Orange.
Orange or white?
What you need to swap?
Nobody will need this. Nobody will.
All right. I think I got something going here.
White.
Okay, give them to me, honey. Thank you. What you need?
I need
5 altogether.
5.
What colors do you already have?
I have dark green, pink, and red.
Dark green, pink, and red. Okay, so here's a dark green. Here's red. And here's pink. Alright, I have my ring of counter cubes. Now, excuse you. They need to be organized in a circle like so. Now, over here, I need to discover how many I have of each. So, mine is going to look different from yours because you and I don't have the exact same color and quantity. So, the first color that I have is pink, then red, then green, orange, yellow, and white. So go ahead and write down the names of your colors that you have, please. Make sure your name, date, period is on there. Starling, 12/3. Whoa. I only have 1 orange, so it doesn't matter. Watch what I do, honey.
I have so many colors.
How many?
I have 16.
16. Okay, what colors do you already have?
Yellow, white. And then I have like
What you need?
I need one.
Are those hers?
No.
What you need, or what do you need to get rid of?
I need 6 whites.
6 whites. Both of y'all?
Yeah.
I need 3.
You need 3 whites too? I
Everybody
don't need so many whites.
Because white just makes everything better.
Oh Lord, 1, 2, 3. Six, 7, 8, 9. Oops, I dropped one. What? Cooking? You cooking for cooking? Cooking for who?
No, I said, what are you going to do for Christmas break?
Oh, I am going to Florida
Can I show them my
to visit my family. All right, how many?
Miss Darling, I need one more.
Come get it.
Thank you.
How many you need?
I need 6.
How many you need?
3.
Yeah.
She's how 6.
Wait,
What
I
is
got a
that,
blue.
sweetheart? Yep, I'm everybody's mama when y'all come in this classroom.
Yeah, she mama. She mama.
All right. Okay, count out the quantity of each. So I have 3 pink, 2 red, 7 green, 1 orange, 4 yellows, and 3 whites. And then add them up. It should be a total of what? 20. Now the ratio. What is my whole number? I just told you, or you just told me, 20. So then what is the part here? For me, what is my part? 3 out of 20. What's my part here? 2 out of 20. So keep going, but do yours. Yours should not look like mine because, again, we don't have the exact same numbers, especially if y'all got all those white counters. Now, where it says proportion, what am I trying to find over here? Percent. And percent is out of what? 100. So in my proportion, who's going to go in there? 20 and 100 and 3. I don't need to put an X here. I can find out what it is. I should be able to do that in my head. How do I get from 20 to 100? Times 5. So then whatever I do to the 20, I must do to the 3. What's 3 times 5? 15. So what percent of my counters are pink? 15%. That is all you're doing for your assignment. Then once you calculate all of those, you're going to make a circle graph. So you're going to draw lines that connect from here to here. Stay focused. And here to here. This is my white. It might not be exact. And then my white is done. So now I'm going to go from here to here. And this is my pink. Pink's done. This little section right here, bam, is red. Pink's or red is done. Then I'm going to go from here to here. This is my green. And then here to here is orange. And then my last group is yellow. And I need to make this orange line a little bit better. Here's my other eraser. Whoops. There we go. Now I got that. So then my red is 15%. And then I need to fill in my other percentages and then color it. Then I'll be done. That is it. What should my total be after I'm done adding up all these percentages?
20.
The whole percent. 100. The 20 counters and 100%. Questions? No, my pink is bigger than my red. I had 3 pinks and 2 reds. Oh, you're right. My bad. Thank you. You mean my percent. Whoopsies. Thank you. All right. That's it.
Wait, can I copy this down for me?
Yeah, it's going to stay on the screen, honey.
Just down.
Okay, real quick. This is what yours should look like once it's colored in. My percentages have not been filled in yet, but again, mine are going to be different from yours anyway. So let me do the percentages real quick. 2 and 20. 7 and 20. You don't have what?
I don't have colors.
Colors, you cannot hold a purple. You can have a purple marker. So you don't have markers or you don't have colored pencils. Okay, ask a neighbor. I see plenty of markers out with colored pencils. 15 out of 100. 4 times 5 is 20. 1 times 5 is 5. 7 times 5 is 35. And 2 times 5 is 10. 10%, 35%, 5%, 20%, and 15%. So 15 and 10 is 25, plus another 25 here is 50, plus 35 is 85%, plus 15 is 100. All right. Thank you.